everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to bring you a list of the top 10 most expensive and luxurious hotels in the world. Yet with prices ranging from $2,800 per night to almost $150,000 per night, these hotels are some of the most incredible places you will ever get to stay in your lifetime. So, if you're looking to spend a night or two living in luxury, make sure to watch to the end to see our top hotel picks for you to blow your wad of cash on. TravelGoals brings you the best of travel destinations, travel tips, and accommodation around the world. But before we dive in, don't forget to do the standard, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and also tap the bell icon and turn on notifications so you can be notified the next time we upload a video like this. It's pretty safe to say we all love traveling. There's nothing more exciting than packing your bags and visiting a new place. What makes it more exciting is that you get to stay at one of the most expensive hotels in that city or country. The first thing that comes to mind when you talk about luxury is money and spending it lavishly, but that's not how it works. Most of us consider luxury as an experience, an indulgence that creates a lasting memory. If you're looking for an extraordinary experience while you're traveling, then hey my friend, you are in luck, because today we're going to be bringing you a list of the top 10 most expensive hotels around the world. And if these hotels don't convince you to spend all your money on travel, I'm pretty sure nothing will. So let's put a stop to all this rambling and get started. Number 10 on our list of the most expensive hotels in the world is the Royal Suite, Burj Al Arab. Located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the Burj was marketed as the world's first 7-star hotel. Tom Wright, the architect behind the design of the Burj Al Arab Hotel, wanted his creation to look like the sail of a ship. The hotel stands on a man-made artificial island that's connected to the mainland by a private curving bridge. The hotel offers all of the luxury amenities you would expect from a 7-star hotel, like an underwater restaurant accessible by submarine, and also a helipad located near the roof approximately 210 meters above sea level. A night in the Royal Suite was going to cost you a minimum of $28,000. The 780 square meter suite, set over 2 floors and decorated in 22-karat gold, comes with a private dining area and a butler and a spa, lounge, and numerous staff to answer your every beck and call. So, it's kind of what you pay for with $28,000 a night, right? So next up, we got number 9, another Royal Suite, but in the Plaza, New York. This hotel appeared on October 1st in 1907, the same day that motorized taxis were introduced to New York City. More than 40 movies have been filmed at the Plaza, including popular movies such as North by Northwest, Barefoot in the Park, Arthur, and The Great Gatsby. For a minimum of $40,000 a night, you can stay at this historic hotel and enjoy the use of a private elevator, a 400-square-foot suite with an exquisitely designed living room, equipped with the latest top-of-the-line amenities and luxuries. The suite has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a lounge, a separate dining room with seats for up to 12 people, and a fitness room. Number 8. Hilltop Via. Only accessible to the super-duper rich is the Hilltop Via tucked away in paradise. The hotel is located on Laucala Island in Fiji and costs $45,000 a night. But with that, you'll get a 4-acre villa that's split into 3 separate villas and offers the most beautiful views on the island. If you're looking to get away with the family or friends, then the Hilltop Via could be a perfect getaway, as it sleeps up to 8 people and has all of the luxury you need from a hotel. At number 7 on our list of the most expensive hotels in the world is the Murka Suite, the Conrad. This suite is located in the Maldives at the Conrad and is the world's first underwater hotel suite. The Murka is 2 stories tall, with the bottom story being roughly 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. For $50,000 a night, you can expect to be automatically upgraded to the Hilton Diamond status upon arrival and enjoy a private chef, bar, gym, and infinity pool. But don't get too ahead of yourself, because there's a 4-night minimum stay requirement. So, if you're planning to stay there, you gotta spend $200,000. Number 6. The Penthouse Suite, Hotel Martinez. Hotel Martinez is located in Cannes, France, one of the best-known resorts at the Côte d'Azur. For $53,000, you get to enjoy a 1,000-square-foot suite on the uppermost floor of the hotel, with a stunning panoramic view across the ocean from your own private wood-paneled panorama terrace. You'll also have king-size beds in each of the 4 bedrooms, a separate living and dining room, marble bathrooms, a Turkish bath, and a private jacuzzi on the terrace. So, are you a lover of art? Because this hotel alone is a masterpiece. Several artifacts from Picasso and Matisse are decorated on the walls of the suites, making them just that much more beautiful. But if art's not your thing, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view from the terrace. Coming in hot at number 5 is the Ty Warner Penthouse at the Four Seasons Hotel in New York. It's named after the owner of the building, Ty Warner, and costs around $60,000 a night. The suite comes with a 360-degree panoramic view of the city and contains 4 glass balconies that provide views of Uptown, Middletown, and Downtown New York. This time, you get only 1 bedroom with this suite, but you also get a spa, a rock crystal, a master bedroom, a panorama infinity tub, and a private elevator, and also a dedicated guest relations manager and chauffeured Rolls-Royce at your disposal. Is that worth 60 grand or what, man? Number 4, West Maldives. W Maldives is a 5-star private island resort of the Indian Ocean, setting the stage for a luxurious and adventurous vacation. From the moment you step onto this heart-shaped island playground, an array of exciting amenities are just at your fingertips. From a wide selection of guest rooms with incredible views of infinity pools and white sand beaches, to one of the best house reefs in the Maldives. At W Maldives, you'll find multiple bars and restaurants that satisfy your palate. The light tropical breezes and warm ocean water is going to make you feel like you've stepped into a little slice of paradise. So unwind at a wave spa with massages, facials, and other treatments designed to help you relax and unwind. Explore the world beneath the waves at Down Under and Wave, and glide with reef sharks in its breathtaking reef. Find yourself surrounded by all of the wonders of nature while enjoying the convenience of modern amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi, valet parking, butler service, and more. Prices in this exotic accommodation range from $60,000 to as high as $78,000 US, depending on the season. That being said, West Maldives is waiting for you. Next up on our list is the Royal Penthouse at Hotel President Wilson, which costs about $80,000 a night. The Royal Penthouse occupies the entire 8th floor of the hotel, and it offers an amazing view of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc. You get 12 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and a jacuzzi bath overlooking the lake. The luxurious furnishings and views also come with a 24/7 personal assistant, and a private chef, and a butler. And if safety is a top concern for you, the Royal Penthouse is one of the safest places to be. It's got bulletproof glass, 24/7 security, a security camera system throughout the suite, and a fortified safe to lock your valuables and your private elevator. Number 2 on our list is the Empathy Suite, The Palms. The Empathy Suite at The Palms, Las Vegas is the 2nd most expensive hotel in the entire world. The Empathy Suite was designed by Damien Hirst, a complete overhaul of the old Sky Via Suite. With a night price tag of $100,000, you're going to get 2 master bedrooms, massage tables, a cantilevered jacuzzi that looks like the Las Vegas Strip, a salt relaxation room, and a private tour of the property's art collection and amenities. So this is another awesome suite for art lovers, as the space includes 6 Damien Hirst originals and custom furniture that includes his motifs. So if you're a fan of Damien Hirst and you got that much cash, well then this video was for you perfectly. Treat yourself, you know? Stealing the number 1 spot on our top ranking, the most luxurious accommodation in the world. Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine Hotel. At $150,000 a night, the Lover's Deep Luxury Submarine Hotel is the most expensive hotel in the world. This time you won't get the same type of experience you'd expect from some of the other hotels on this list, because, like the title implies, you'll be going underwater. The submarine/hotel is located in St. Lucia and can be navigated around the Caribbean to suit your requirements. You will get 5-star accommodation beneath the waves, which includes your captain, your private chef and butler, speedboat transfers to and from the submarine, and some additional optional add-ons like helicopter transfers, beach landings, and champagne-soaked breakfasts. The Lover's Deep Submarine is fully equipped with the ultimate in luxury and everything you'd want from an experience like this. Furthermore, you have the option to modify the voyage to suit your preferences if you want. So if you prefer a particular location to another, the captain will follow your commands. This would be a just an experience, for lack of better words, and one of a lifetime that you would never forget. Staying in the most expensive hotel in the world underwater. Or as some would say, under the sea, everything's better. No? Alright. So, have you ever been to one of these hotels? Do you plan to visit any of them in the future? Do you think it's worth the money to spend a night in any of these luxury accommodations? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And with that being said, I'm off. I'll see you in the next adventure. Later, guys.